among many Muslims, the word jihad is used in a very violent way. How do you explain that word and the concept?
You see, jihad literally means to struggle and strive, to work hard for gaining any purpose. Even there is a saying of the Holy Prophet of Islam, once he was coming from an expedition of a war, and he said, now we are coming from a lesser jihad and going towards the bigger jihad, and that is the teaching of Islam through the teaching of the Holy Quran. So it means, in his view also, the jihad of sword was a lesser jihad, which was imposed on him. And he had no way but to retaliate. And the bigger jihad is to spread the message of Islam through the Holy Quran, and which categorically says that La ikraha fi din. There is no compulsion in religion. Whoever wants to accept Islam, he can accept. Who denies it, refuses it, he has the right to do it. But being a human being, we should all live together. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ migrated from Mecca to Medina, he did not plan for any jihad. It were the Meccans who attacked him, and he had to retaliate. He had to fight back. Even the founder of the Ahmadiya movement has said, there are quite a number of Muslims in China. The companion of the Holy Prophet ﷺ went there to do preaching, and through preaching, Chinese accept Islam. There was no war. Millions of people accepted Islam. Why? There are so many other places where Islam spread, and that was through teaching, not war.